Hey everyone, this is Judy with JLBCrafts. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, thank you so much for giving me a try. This video I'm going to be setting up the week of April 18th through the 24th in my horizontal planner, which I use for hand-lettered inspirational quotes. It's just a safe space for me to do some hand brush lettering. And so the theme I'm going to go with this week is brought to us by Plannable April 2022. That's her hashtag. You can find that on Instagram. And her theme for this particular week is Pattern Day. I know my handwriting's a little messy there, but Pattern Day. And when I thought about patterns, two things sprang to mind right away. Washi tape and one of the oldest Happy Planner sticker books out there. This one, which I don't even know, I called it Color Sets. It's from at least 2017. Sorry, you can't even see. I got a little exclamation point there. But this was one of the first Happy Planner sticker books I ever had. Heather Kell did a video way back when about how to do a spread, and it used this book. And hers was a vertical spread. So I of course, I got the book. I don't use it very much anymore, but the boxes in here, there are a lot of patterned boxes in here. So I thought I would try to do a spread using a bunch of these patterned boxes. Now, Happy Planner has never had a lot of yellow. So when I come through here, really the only ones that are actually have some yellow are rainbow. And I think that's going to be too much for me to try to coordinate with the stickers that I have. However, you see these are in 2-page sets, and they did kind of this printing technique to make this look a little bit like foil, but it's not foil. But the cool thing about it is it's got yellow. The way they did it, it's got yellow in it. So I went through here looking for just, so there's this one, but I've used a lot of them. Let's see. Yeah, see, so this one's got actual gold foil, and then this one is printed to look like gold foil. There's not a lot of it left. That might have been a good one. Same thing with this one. This one's got some yellow, but I've used, and I've, to the point where there's only one page left because I used completely up the other page. So I think I'm gonna go with these back 2 pages. So one's actual gold foil and the other one just got some of this stuff that looks a little bit like yellow. So if I use, and see how the boxes basically are just patterns, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1, 2, and if I can find 2 more in here across the rest of the sets that actually have, like this is gold. So I'm thinking I'll use 8 boxes, 4 on each side. And then the other book I pulled, so it has some of these boxes down in the corner, because you know I like to put about 4 boxes across my spread for who to attribute the quote to. That's a lot of lines. I don't really need that many lines. But the other book I have that I've not really used much, that I look for opportunities to use, is this layered boxes. When it first came out, I was like, oh, that's cool. That'll save me some stickers. And then I like hardly ever use it. And at first I thought I could just use this book entirely, but the boxes don't have as many patterns. So this one's got some pink and some orange, but like this one, so I thought to myself, like these 2 have patterns, but these 2, I mean, there's a little bit of ombre going on, but there aren't as many patterns as much as ombre in here. So I thought maybe I could layer these with these and do like a really layered up effect. So I just need to look for yellows and pinks like this one to draw in the yellow on the page. Yeah, that'll work nice. So I could use the 2 of these, and that's enough space for me to write who to attribute the quote to. So I guess basically I'm looking for about 4 of these slightly smaller. Like I don't want a full box sticker on there. These 2 could work. These are yellow and green. I want to stay in the yellow and pink neighborhood. So nope, none of those. All right, so if I come back, I can use those 2. And I'm really looking for some that don't actually have words. I could possibly use those 2. They're a little orangey. So let's just go ahead and get started. So if I'm just going to basically end up going with 4 pinks and 4 golds. So we're going to need to go like every other. So let's go ahead, and my trouble area is always like down here. So if this one I go, and that one obviously sideways isn't going to work. So let's start with this box down here, covering up this week. I think I'll go ahead and put it all the way down to the very bottom of the page. And then I feel like I want something over top of it, so maybe time to relax. So that way, there. So I've got layered and a pattern. I've gotten to the end of the week. Now it's time to relax. So there we go. There's one. So now let's go gold. And I think I'm going to turn it sideways. So let's just go ahead and grab one of these gold ones. So this one's kind of a repeating pattern, heart, 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 staggered heart, heart, heart. So I want something a little different than like this dot one because they're a little bit on the similar side. So I'm going to put this one here so it just barely covers notes. And I'm going to come all the way over to the punch. All right, and now let's see if there's... So I gotta layer one of these. Where were those hearts? Was there a pink heart? Because I got hearts right there. Oh, I was going to use those two, and then that's why I was on that page. Here we go. I could use one of these hearts. But hearts next to hearts, I think that might be too close. So let's go with one of these. I'm just going to come way, way up next to Sunday. There we go. This is going to be a quick spread at this rate. That works. All right. So next I need to come back to pink over here, or I could do gold. Because then I'll have pink, pink. Maybe I want the pink one up here and the gold one here. Yeah, let's do that. But I don't want that even repeat again. Let's look for maybe some stripes or something. Ooh, that's a little bit... Oh, what about these chevrons? Here we go. Let's go with this one. That's quite a bit different. I'm going to end up putting this one sideways because I'm not wanting to cover up the 24th. So could I put this one, go really outside the box and go diagonal with it? I totally could. I might regret that, but that's what we're going with. All right, so let's go ahead and layer something with it. I think I could use one of these pinks because that would draw that in. Or a heart. See, the heart's starting to get a little orangey. Is that it? Those are purple. Those are green. Yep, okay. Well, I'm kind of leaning toward this one. Let's go with this one. I don't know why. That's cute. I don't know what it is about mixing all the patterns, but I do like it. All right. So now we're going to come back over here and do a pink one. So I have a floral pattern. How about this one? This one looks kind of like some kind of weird Greek pattern. Okay. And then, so I want to layer something. I don't want the pattern to completely show. Maybe I just do a lot of who to attribute boxes on this one. Because the other option is to do a lot of quotes. Heart and soul. Like that's got some yellow. I guess I could go ahead and do something like that. Yeah, let's do it. So I'm mixing lots of different shapes, lots of different patterns. Okay, that's not too bad. I tell you what, if it weren't for challenges, I would never have thought to do something like this, you know? Okay, so I think I want to go, I don't want a big chunk here right across from there. I think I want to stagger them this week. So I've got gold. I guess I want to do pink again here because it's close to the gold. So let's go ahead and grab this stripey guy. And now I'm thinking I want to go maybe crooked with this one. Just because this one is straight and this one is straight, let's do crooked. And then I want, since those are straight lines, let's go with this round sticker over top of it. Yeah, I feel like they're all, the lines on that are all pointing in. Okay, so now we need to go gold, gold, pink again. That's gonna be matchy-matchy, but I think it's not gonna feel matchy-matchy because I've got so many different shapes and patterns going on. So let's do this dotted one because I feel like that one and the heart are very similar. So if I put them, well, yeah, I think I want it over here. And I'm wondering if I want to go ahead and turn this one too, or do I want to turn this one? I think I want to turn this one, although then I'll have crooked. No, maybe I don't. Sorry, just trying to balance all of the aspects with this much going on is a lot. So for this one then, I think I need a, not a box, but some kind of decoration like today. Let's look for a peachy pinky kind of a, since that's gold. Oh, smile's good. Laugh as much as you breathe, love as much as you live. I like that one, actually. We can put, oh, let's put this on there crooked. So that's straight, but we'll do this crooked. There we go. I like the polka dots. They kind of make me feel like they go with that laugh quote. All right, so I need one more gold box. And I think this gold box will put straight. So I could use this one with these weird little tiny spots. That's cute. There's more polka dots. I just really like this one. I don't know why. So I think this one's going to go on here straight. And then let's do a, let's see, 1, 2, 3. So I need to put one here or one here, maybe up here. So we need another quote for this one. Another like pinkish. I don't want this to be about the quotes, but I definitely want to layer something on that. And I want it to be something pink since that's a gold. Hello today. Those are red. That's a little too peachy. Let's go back to the original set. So I could just go with this smile. Dream it and do it. How about this one, white? Pink words on white. Because when you stop and look around, this life is pretty amazing. Although I don't think I like the white on white is the only problem with that. I don't think I want the white on white. I already know this is going to be my sticker up here. Maybe it'll help me if I go up there. Okay, so I have crooked, straight, straight. Let's go crooked. And then I just got to trim that tiny little bit off. I'm proud of myself for working with the yellow lines so much this month. I really didn't think I was going to be able to. So the other choice I have is to use this word quote here and put the Who to Attribute box here. So I could do that. Like this one. So I could come here with it. Yeah, I think I do, because if I put this here and another word here, they're very lined up. So I think I want to go here. Plus I like the way these two stickers work together. There we go. All right, so I just need something from there. I'm done with this. I could just use smile. Can't stop, won't stop. So that one might work actually, because it's, even though it mimics that one, it's got gold foil words. Yeah, I think that'll be okay. This is another quick spread, but the time consuming thing on this particular spread is, and should be, the hand lettering. So I think that works pretty good. Yeah, I was briefly considering switching those two because these are the same shape, but I don't want pink on pink and gold on gold. So at least you all are getting to see. I'm just wondering if that pink could work. I have that in some of these other stickers. You're getting to see a glimpse at an old sticker book that can be hard, if I don't know, impossible to find. I'm not sure this is around anymore. Hello Today, that could have worked. I just feel like those two are a tiny bit matchy-matchy, but I don't have a ton of options. Yeah, I mean, I feel like that's about my only other option. And I'm kind of leaning toward going ahead and switching it out. I think I will. I like that better. That pink is in some places. They don't match as well, which is actually a good thing. I felt like they matched too well. So I think that works. I think that's done. Yeah. All right, let's put it in my planner, which right now I'm just keeping this in my archive because I'm still taking a break from doing these. My Sunday hand lettering videos take up so much time that I probably will wait and go back and use these spreads in 2023. So they are not going to go to waste. I am going to use them. I think it's going to be fun flipping back through these and hand lettering in them a year from now. The date will be off by a day, but honestly, I'm pretty easygoing. That's not going to bother me. So there we go. There is my pattern spread in my horizontal hand lettering planner for the week of April 18th through the 24th, using some really ancient stickers that I hardly ever use, but I really like the way it came out. I think they're absolutely appropriate for the way I used them and for this particular challenge. So if you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing. Thank you.